Hello, analog synth modular filter junkies, G-Man here. If you're here, that means you can't get enough analog filter action, right? Or at least I hope so, because today we've got a good one. I'm going to show you some fun to be had running two filters in series and parallel, this time using two of my Delta VCF modules. Per usual, my sound source will be the Pittsburgh Modular Synthesizer Box. So first let's have a go at putting them in series, also known as cascading. Here's what 4-pole bandpass sounds like on one filter. Go ahead and patch in a sine wave LFO. Now let's run the output of filter 1 into the input of number 2. And run a copy of the same LFO to filter number 2. Let's compare it to 4-pole. We need some resonance on that. What about low pass? Again, compare it to 4-pole. Back to bandpass. Try a ramp LFO. Back to sine wave. Instead of using the same LFO, use one that is 180 degrees out of phase. I'm using the Batumi in quadrature mode to do this. And send the out of phase LFO to the filter number 2. It's like a phasing effect. Try using different LFO waveforms for each. For fun, try the 2-pole modes. Now I'll put the filters in parallel, and I'll send the outputs to a mixer and pan one left and the other right. I'll do this by sending the same signal to both filter inputs. So it ends up sounding like a delay. different LFO waveforms. I like to modulate the LFO frequency by another LFO. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.